Welcome back to Bike Review Hub, your go-to channel for everything two wheels. Today, we are diving into one of the most popular and powerful maxi scooters on the market, the Yamaha TMAX 560. This premium scooter is a favorite among riders who want a mix of power, comfort, and practicality. But is it really worth the price? Let's find out. Design and styling: a sporty yet elegant look. Yamaha has always been known for blending sporty aesthetics with practicality, and the TMAX 560 is no exception. The sharp, aerodynamic bodywork gives it a futuristic appeal, while the twin LED headlights and sleek taillights enhance its aggressive stance. The build quality is top-notch, with premium materials and finishes that make it stand out from regular scooters. The comfortable yet stylish seat, adjustable windscreen, and well-placed handlebars make it a joy to ride, whether you're commuting or going on long-distance adventures. Performance and engine: more than just a scooter. Under the hood, the TMAX 560 packs a 562 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers 47 horsepower and 55.7 Newton-meters of torque. That might not sound like much for a motorcycle, but for a scooter, it's a game-changer. Paired with a CVT transmission, the power delivery is smooth, and the acceleration is surprisingly quick. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or cruising at highway speeds, the TMAX 560 feels responsive and refined. The top speed: around 110 miles per hour, 175 kilometers per hour, not bad for a maxi scooter. Comfort and riding experience: built for long journeys. One of the biggest reasons riders choose the TMAX 560 is comfort. The ergonomic seating position, wide footboards, and plush seat make long rides effortless. The adjustable windscreen helps reduce wind resistance, adding to the touring capabilities of this scooter. The suspension setup, with 41mm upside-down forks at the front and a link-type rear shock, absorbs bumps well, making the ride incredibly smooth. Whether you're on city roads or highways, the TMAX 560 glides effortlessly over most surfaces. Technology and features: a premium experience. Yamaha has packed this scooter with premium features. Keyless ignition: no need to fumble with keys. Smart key system: unlock and start the scooter seamlessly. Full-color TFT display displays speed, fuel, and riding data. Multiple riding modes adjust performance based on road conditions. Traction control and ABS ensures safety and stability. Underseat storage: enough to fit a full-face helmet. This is more than just a scooter, it's a tech-packed touring machine. Braking and safety: confidence on the road. With great power comes great responsibility, and the TMAX 560 doesn't disappoint when it comes to braking. It features dual front disc brakes with radial-mounted calipers and a single rear disc brake, providing solid stopping power. ABS and traction control ensure that you stay in control, even in wet or slippery conditions. Whether you're commuting or taking on twisty roads, the braking performance inspires confidence. Fuel efficiency and practicality: daily commuter or touring scooter. For a 560 cubic centimeters engine, the TMAX 560 is surprisingly fuel efficient. It delivers around 50 to 55 miles per gallon, 4.5 to 5.0 L 100 km, making it a practical choice for daily commuting or weekend trips. With a 15-liter fuel tank, you can cover around 180 to 200 miles before needing a refill. Plus, the ample underseat storage and optional top case accessories make it even more practical for carrying essentials. Price and competition: is it worth it? The Yamaha TMAX 560 isn't cheap. Depending on the region, it costs around $12,000 to $14,000 USD. While that's pricey for a scooter, it competes directly with BMW C650 GT, Honda Forza 750, and Kymco AK 550. If you're looking for a powerful, comfortable, and feature-packed maxi scooter, the TMAX 560 is definitely worth the investment. Final verdict: who should buy the TMAX 560? So, is the Yamaha TMAX 560 worth it? Absolutely, if you're someone who wants a premium scooter.